Enhance your living space with style and functionality. The best coffee table for living room adds elegance while offering practical storage. Discover top picks to complement your decor perfectly. Number 1. Sweetcrispy Coffee Table. The Sweetcrispy Coffee Table brings a perfect blend of modern style and functionality to any living space. With a sleek finish and subtly textured surface, this table complements various interior styles, making it a versatile addition to your living room, office, or reception area. Its lift-top design is an excellent solution for those working from home, providing an elevated surface that can be pulled up effortlessly. Whether you need a quick workspace, a dining surface, or a place to do homework, this table ensures convenience without requiring you to lean forward. The hidden compartment beneath the tabletop offers generous storage space to keep books, snacks, remotes, and other essentials organized and dust-free. Additionally, two open side shelves provide extra room for quick access to frequently used items. Built with a sturdy steel frame and angled legs for stability, this coffee table ensures long-lasting durability. The lifting mechanism operates smoothly and silently, preventing unnecessary noise during use. Number 2. Sedeta Coffee Table. The Sedeta Coffee Table offers a stylish yet practical solution for those who need versatility in their living space. Featuring a high-quality lift-top mechanism with gas struts, it allows you to smoothly and safely raise the tabletop from 19.7 inches to 25.4 inches, making it ideal for working from home, dining, or enjoying leisure activities while sitting comfortably on the couch. This coffee table provides ample storage with a hidden compartment under the lift top, ensuring that essentials remain within reach while maintaining a clutter-free space. 4 open compartments with removable adjustable shelves offer customizable storage options, allowing you to organize books, remotes, or decorative items efficiently. Designed with durability in mind, the Sedeta coffee table features a strong construction that prevents wobbling, ensuring stability for everyday use. Its farmhouse-inspired design, complete with a waterproof and scratch-resistant wooden top, seamlessly blends with both rustic and modern decor. The square shape fits well in both small and large spaces, making it a versatile choice for various room sizes. Number 3. Yaheetech Wooden Coffee Table. The Yaheetech wooden coffee table is a multifunctional centerpiece designed to enhance both small and large living spaces. Its lift-top design allows you to effortlessly raise the tabletop to a comfortable height, transforming it into a spacious workspace or dining surface while you relax on the sofa. The heavy-duty metal mechanism ensures a smooth and stable lifting operation, making it ideal for various activities such as working, eating, or reading. Constructed from CARB P2 compliant MDF with a water-resistant veneer, this coffee table is built to last. The solid structure ensures durability, preventing wobbling when properly assembled. Storage is a key highlight of this table, featuring a hidden compartment beneath the top where you can store everyday items like laptops, remotes, and game controllers. Number 4. FDW Lift Top Coffee Table. The FDW Lift Top Coffee Table is an excellent combination of modern aesthetics and space-saving functionality. Designed with a hidden compartment beneath the top, it provides ample storage for magazines, laptops, remote controllers, and other everyday items, keeping them organized and dust-free. The lower open shelf offers additional space for blankets, snacks, or decorative pieces, ensuring that your living area remains clutter-free. The surface is made of a melamine veneer, offering a stylish and scratch-resistant finish that enhances the overall durability and visual appeal of the table. One of the standout features of this coffee table is its quiet, slow-down air rod, which ensures a smooth and silent lifting experience, ideal for those who value a peaceful living environment. Constructed from high-quality MDF boards certified by CARB, this table is designed with safety and stability in mind, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. Its modern design and simple lines allow it to blend seamlessly into various home settings. Number 5. Chosh Rustic Coffee Table. The harsh rustic coffee table is a beautifully designed piece that brings warmth and charm to any living space. Featuring a spacious two-tier design, this table offers plenty of storage for magazines, books, remote controls, and snacks, helping to keep your space neat and organized. The high-quality engineered wood tabletop, combined with an X-shaped metal frame, ensures exceptional durability, supporting up to 300 pounds. Its industrial style design, with a rustic brown finish and black metal frame, seamlessly complements both modern and farmhouse style interiors. One of the key advantages of this coffee table is its adjustable feet, which provide stability on uneven surfaces while protecting floors from scratches. Measuring 47.2 by 23.6 by 17.8 inches, this table is the perfect size for various uses. It can function as a coffee table, cocktail table, living room table, or even a storage shelf. Its minimalist design enhances any space without overwhelming the decor, making it a versatile choice for different room settings. Easy to assemble and build for long-lasting use, the H Rustic Coffee Table is an excellent investment for those who appreciate rustic aesthetics with a touch of modern functionality. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.